Good morning, students. Welcome to Otari's Commerce and Finance Coaching. Students, this is our second lecture of technical analysis. In first lecture, we learned the three trends assumption in our technical analysis. So let's start the learn of the advantage of technical analysis and the disadvantages of technical analysis. So first advantage of technical analysis is trade analysis, that is it's universally applicable. Generally the biggest advantage of technical analysis is that which is help to investor to traders predict and how catch the trend of our market. There are three kinds of trend included: uptrend, downtrend and sideway. So in short, we said that we have to, this technical analysis system help to analyze these three trend too. The next point is entry exit point. So entry exit point is help in tracking a proper entry point, means in fundamental analysis is used to decide what to buy, what to decide when to buy, even the timing in this technical analysis is very important because the role in performance is very much important here. So technical analysis can help to spot this demand and supply, means support and resistance and their breakouts too. So technical analysis also help to decide when to exit, when to enter and when to buy. So this is play important role in our trading and investing. So we with the help of technical analysis we can easily analyze when have to enter and when have to exist and how to catch the breakouts too. The next point is provide early signals. So technical analysis provide early signals about the psychology of investors. So generally the traders are doing price volume analysis, which is indicate the movement of our market makers and their activity which is related to our particular market. So it provide signals early base and it will help to analyze and even clear the picture of psychology of every investors. The next point is quick and less expensive. Yes, technical analysis is less expensive compared to fundamental analysis, because in fundamental analysis we have to prepare so many statements and balance sheet, even charting software. So in technical analysis we quickly give results to our traders and within a 1 minute or 5 minutes, even 1 hour too. So comparative fundamental analysis, it's very quick and less expensive. Next point is provide lots of information. As even we said that it historical price clarity, means it's given lots of information, data in our technical analysis. So it is helpful for short term trading, swing trading and long term investment. The generally technical charts provide a lots of information for traders and investors. With this data information they are build their position and take trades. So this information is like support, resistance, even volatility and even trader psychology. So there are so many examples in these kinds of information. So these are the advantages. So let's see the disadvantages of technical analysis. The first one is biasness. So it is generally technical science is called as a art and science. So it is not a hardcore science, so it is a subjective in nature and even your personal opinion can be reflected in our analysis. So it is very much important to aware of this biasness, and when analyzing a chart, every analyst perpetual bull, then a bullish bias will overshadow the analysis. So generally this will help to analyze these things in different way by the every analysis. Next one is different interpretation. Yes, technical analysis is a combination of science and art. So it's always open for interpretation. Even their standards and their techniques will look at the same in our chart or paint two different scenarios. So this will be able to come up with logical support and resistance. So sometime it could be a little bit different, difficult for interpretation in these things. Next point is too late. Yes, you can criticize the technical analysis for being too late, because by the time the trend is identified, the move is taken place. So after this movement, the reward of risk ratio is not great. Even lateness is a particular criticism of Dow theory. So there is called as a Elliott wave, even neo wave theories. So they are too much late in this study. So this one is a third disadvantage. Fourth one is always new level. Yes, the technical analysis always wait for another level. In different charts or next video we study about their new levels and their different charts. So even after new trend has been identified, there is always an important new close at hand. So technical have been accused by sitting on the fence and never taking an unqualified stance. So it's always have a new level. And last one is traders remorse. So traders remorse is an array pattern and indicator rise when studying technical analysis. So it is not included a signal work. So it should have our disadvantages of technical analysis. Thank you students. I hope you understand advantages and disadvantages of technical analysis. Please like and share my subscribe and channel. Thank you.